Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 19th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. We have here the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars. One with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saifa block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. In these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them. I will solve 4 of them. Yeah, 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. First one, 7298. And this Sudoku with 3 stars has 28 printed digits. Usually, the 3 stars puzzle has 25, so 3 digits more. The less, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. So I don't think it's a 3 stars puzzle. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. I think it's 0 stars or 1 star. For 1 star or 0 stars I need to be faster than 14 or maybe 50 minutes. We will see if it's a 1 star or a 3 stars puzzle. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. Oh, wait, yeah. No. We have a 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left with 3 should be there. 3, okay. 3. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. See here, 3 in the third column, no 3 there, 3 should be there, 3. Alright, and now 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. 5, 6. Well, I think this box should be a 9, because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, can be 6, can be 7, can be 8. Yeah, definitely a 9, the hidden number 9. Okay, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 6 in this column. 6 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this column, middle column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in the middle column should be there. Then 9 and a 7. Then we have a pair. The 7 and a 6 in this column, the 7 and a 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Yeah, 2 in this row, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here, 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. Okay, cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers in the middle row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left and 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between second column, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So on the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4's are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright, 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Well, 8. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, no, we have a 2. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So here should be also 1 and an 8. Okay. So missing number here, 9. I'm missing the 9 here in this big square. Could be here, could be there. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this big square. So no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. Leave the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the, one in the last row, 1 in the row above. From that row, the only place left with 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. From the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this third column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. Here we have 2 numbers left, the 1 and an 8. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and 8, we have an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there, finishing at 10 minutes. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. 0 stars. And I like this one, yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.